Hello guys, and welcome to another quick tutorial from Vintage Radar. Today I'm going to show you how to set the time and date on your Timex Ironman watch. This is going to be the Timex Ironman Triathlon, but this tutorial is going to work for most Timex Ironman watches out there. As you can see, we are in our home screen, and we know that because we have the time and date display. In case you do not have it displayed right here, we are going to press the mode button until we arrive at the home screen. Just like that. Now in this position, in order to arrive at the main settings of the watch, we are going to press and hold the set recall button. So I'm going to press and hold, and now we are going to arrive right here. The first thing that we can choose is between time 1 and time 2, so T1 and T2. I'm going to leave it at T1, but in case you want to check out the full guide with all the functions and features of the watch, I'm going to leave a link in the description box below. Now we are going to use the mode button in order to toggle between the different options of the watch. So as you can see, the first thing that we can set right now for T1, so our main time, is going to be the hours. I can press the start split button in order to go forward, or the stop or reset button in order to go backwards. You can also press and hold any of the two buttons in order to speed scroll. Now I have military time, so as you can see, it is going to show me 16, but in case you want to switch to 12-hour display and see 4 p.m., I'm going to show you how to do that as well. Now I'm going to press the mode button once again, and now we can adjust the minutes. The same thing is going to apply, so we have the same principle, going forward and backwards, and also the speed scroll is going to be available. Let's make it 16:55. Now if I press the mode button once again, I can reset the seconds to 0 by pressing any of these two buttons. And now if I press the mode button, we are going to arrive at setting the date. Now as you can see right here, we have the month flashing, and that is because for this particular model, the setting is going to be day and month, but you can also make it month and date. So here we have September. If I go forward, it is going to arrive, as you can see, going past 12, it is going to arrive at January. In case you are unclear whether you are setting the day of the month or the month, you can go past 12 in order to see if you arrive once again at January. So let's make it February. Then I'm going to press the mode button, and I'm going to make it the 2nd of January. Now I'm going to press the mode button once again. Here I can set the year. I can go backwards, I can go forward, I can also press the speed scroll function. So press and hold any of these two buttons. Let's make it 2031. I'm going to press the mode button once again, and here I'm going to arrive at the 12 or 24-hour display, so military time. If you press any of the two buttons, you will be able to switch between the two. In our case, I'm going to switch to 12-hour display so that I can also show you we are going to see PM on our main display at the end. If I press the mode button once again, and here we are going to arrive at setting the date format. So you can either have date and month or month and date. So you can choose between the two, and you can use, as I mentioned, any of the two buttons to switch between these two. I'm going to leave it at day and month because that is how I prefer it. If I press the mode button once again, we are going to have other options right here, but I'm going to discuss all of them in the main guide of the watch, so the full guide that I'm going to leave a link in the description box below. After you go past the third alarm, we are going to cycle back, and we are going to arrive once again at the beginning. In case you want to make a change, you can do so. So let's say that I want to make it September right here. Again, the 2nd of September, I'm going to leave it just like that. And in order to save all of your settings, we are going to press the set recall button, and voila, we have arrived at our home screen. Now, as you can see, now I have 4 p.m. So I have the 12-hour display, and then here we can see the date. So the 2nd of September, and the watch has calculated automatically the day of the week for us. So we know that the 2nd of September in 2031 is going to be a Tuesday. This is a very cool feature for both Timex Ironman Triathlon and Casio G-Shock watches that are going to calculate the day of the week for you, because they already have the full calendar from 2000 to 2099 memorized inside the watch. So guys, that was the quick tutorial that I had for you today. You now know how to set the time and date. In case you want to watch the full guide with all the functions and features, I'm going to have the full guide link in the description box below. So make sure to check it out because this watch has a ton of functions and features and you want to know them and also how to use them. In case you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to this YouTube channel, it really means a lot. Let me know in the comment section below if this video was helpful, what you would like to see next on this YouTube channel. And in case you want to purchase your first vintage watch, make sure to check out our website vintageradar.com because we have thousands of vintage watches for sale, link in the description box below. Thank you guys for watching, I'm going to see you in the next video.